Once STAR scores are received, you will need to update your LPAC EOY minutes Excel file. This must be completed no later than June 20th. For all students, not just pending, but all students, you will update on the Excel file the STAR reading version and performance level, STAR English 1 and 2 EOC version and performance level if applicable, STAR writing version and performance level if applicable. As you will notice in your STAR 2018 section of your minutes, you have the reading section. You will place the version here and the performance level here. If the student took writing STAR, the version goes here, the performance level here. For EOC, the version is here and the performance level is here. If the student is a 9th grader, you will use the English 1. If they are a 10th grader, the English 2. 11th and 12th grader, you will use the most recent English exam or use the English 2. For pending students, you need to change the status to see if they met exit criteria. The pending status must change to a Y for yes, they will become a monitor 1, or an N for no. The exit date and letter sent columns will automatically be populated. In the section here for 2018-19 and program exit date here, you will see the met exit criteria for here will say pending with a P. You need to change that to a Y, that they met exit criteria and will become a monitor 1, which will pre-populate the exit date and letter sent. Or if they did not meet the exit criteria, you will change the P pending to an N no. If the student is a no because they did not meet exit criteria, you will put the ESL level here and the program placement here. If the student is a yes, a Y, they met exit criteria, you will not place an ESL level because monitors do not have an ESL level. Instead, you will place an M1 in the program placement. For the 2018-19 section of your minutes, you need to make sure that all ESL levels are updated when applicable, program placement is updated, and any comments. Again, this is the section here for 2018-19, ESL level, program placement, and comments. For pending students who met criteria for exiting, again, no later than June 20th, you need to enter the information into Chancery. The LPAC date will be the LPAC meeting date. The reason will be end of year LPAC. The LEP status program placement for students who will exit will be an M1 unless they were coded previously as a YO or YT. Then they will be an M1 YO or an M1 YT. Again, monitor students do not have an ESL level, so that will be NA. Leave the parent permission date blank, parent permission code NA or blank. Program exit date for all students is May 25th, 2018. The exit reason will depend on the grade level or reason for exiting. You will also print the LPAC meeting information form, the student profile form, by clicking in the print screen link at the top of the screen in Chancery. Only the LPAC administrator is required to sign this form. Inside Chancery, after you enter the information, you will see the print screen button. You will click. It will open the file for the LPAC meeting information. You will print, and the administrator only will sign. This will be placed in the L folder. For pending students who did not meet the criteria, you need to also enter this information to Chancery no later than June 20th. The LPAC date will be the LPAC meeting date. Reason for review will be end of the year. The LEP status and program placement will be determined by the LPAC from your minutes, as well as the ESL level. Again, this information is in this section here, ESL level and program placement. Parent permission date will be the previous record of the date, and the parent permission code will also be the previous record, or enter the appropriate code. There will not be a program exit date or exit reason due to the student is not exiting. You will again print the LPAC meeting information form for the student by clicking on the print screen again inside Chancery, and again, only the LPAC administrator is required to sign.